Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to disable $and AliExpress in Google Chrome. There are a couple of different ways to do this depending on whether you're using a third-party extension or Chrome's built-in blocking settings. So let's get right into it. First, if you're using an AliExpress.com or app blocker extension, open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner. From there, hover over Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Once you're on the extensions page, find the ad blocker or app blocker you're using. You can temporarily disable it by switching the toggle off, or if you no longer need it at all, you can remove it completely by clicking Remove, which will uninstall the extension from your browser. Now, if you're not using any extensions and want to adjust Chrome's built-in blocking features, click on the three dots again and go to Settings. On the left-hand menu, choose Privacy and Security, then click on Site Settings. Scroll down to the Content section and select Pop-ups and Redirect. By default, Chrome blocks pop-ups, but you can disable this restriction by changing the setting to Allow sites to send pop-ups and use redirect. Once this is enabled, Chrome's built-in blocking for pop-ups and similar content will be turned off. And that's it. That's how you can disable an ad blocker in Google Chrome using either extensions or built-in settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.